Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Don't forget to click the bell if you like the video.
We are nearing Taluha Falls. We are around 5 miles. We are almost close. Our Gurreddy took the honors of driving today. Hey
Morning
Gurreddy.
is getting brighter. We see a lot of beautiful mountains. It's very worth riding in the morning. You can see the beautiful nature. Also, this is the countryside of America, of Georgia.
The scenic beauty. The scenic spot here.
See that falls, Narendra, there.
This is the falls. There's the falls there. We are going to go there. That's the gorge. You can see hear the sound of the river. We are at the Tallulah Gorge State Park. I'm waiting for them to open the visitor center. They open it at 8 o'clock. And to go to the gorge, they give passes. They issue 100 passes per day. It's first come, first served. And probably we are one of the first people to come, so we should have no problem getting the pass. This is the visitor center. Yeah, we entered the interactive center.
Just the parking. Yes.
So there's a small store here.
Ladies,
Yeah, there's a gift shop. All the information here. They have some display here with some bears. See the eagle. The crow. There you see a small the snake. Yeah, we are going out of the visitor center. It says overlook 1.25 miles, overlook 2 through 5 miles. Says overlook 1A. So let's check this out. See the bridge over there. We'll be going there. There's a hanging bridge and there's the river there. See the sound, see the sounds. If you see the bottom, there's a small waterfall at the bottom. There's a second view. If you see the waterfall there, the river flowing. You see the river in the bottom of the gorge. Inspiration Point overlook, 1/4 mile, 212 feet elevation gain. So let's see what it is. Yeah, there. It is a steep hike. You can see it's gaining elevation at a short span. So if you see in the long, you see a bridge. We are going to go there. There's a bridge there on the right side.
Suspension bridge.
Suspension bridge. So we'll be going and having a look at it as well. We'll be on it. I think if you see in the far, you see the visitor center, that's where we came from in the parking lot. So we are in middle of all the mountains. See the fall colors. So nice. So we're heading back to another view. Okay, we went and saw the overlook 1, which is 1.25 miles. We saw some overlooks, some good nice scenes. Now we are going to do the overlook 2 through 5, which is on the right side. So we'll be going on there and see all the 2, 3, 4 and 5 overlooks. Okay. We are going towards overlook 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is overlook 2. We are approaching a beautiful waterfall. Beautiful. See the waterfall. So beautiful. See the river coming through the rocks. It's a nice waterfall. See the fall colors. This is overlook 2. Let's go down and see. So it says 622 steps. On this staircase to walk to the base of the Hurricane Falls will require 1062 steps. Those with physical limitations should not attempt this hike. Alright, permits are required to access the gorge floor at the base of the Hurricane Falls. Swimming is prohibited in the Hurricane Falls area. Climbing over handrails is prohibited. Okay. Alright, we are taking the steps now. They said it is 620 steps. So let's take the steps. Getting down is always easy, but when you're climbing up, I think that's when the challenge comes in. Oh, these are steep steps, so when you're coming up, definitely it's going to be a challenge. Alright, we came down on the steps. We are going on the bridge. This is the hanging bridge. We are walking on the hanging bridge. When we are walking, I can see that it's moving. This reminds me of Lakshman Jhula in Rishikesh, but that is much more bigger than this. See the waterfall. See the nice waterfall. see the other side, this is where the water is coming. Very good. See the waterfall. If you see that, it's hitting the rocks there and then going back, making a turn. So pleasant. You see, you hear the sound of the waterfalls. It is so refreshing. Say hi. All right. Let's go to the end. Let's go to the end of the bridge again. And 21 steps to Hurricane Falls platform. Gorge access. (347 steps to South Ring. We are going down the steps. Oh, see how steep it is. We have to go all the way down. We are approaching the falls. So many steps. So beyond this point, you need to have the floor permit. This is the map. You can see the falls from here, so beautiful. So beautiful. That's what they're talking about. The water comes in and there's a big rock here that's making the river go in a different direction. So beautiful.
Amazing falls, and as you know, the hike is little tedious. Somebody has some physical disability or some kind of pain, they cannot they're not able to come till here, but at least they can come from the top. So overall this is a very good place to visit for a weekend with family, friends. Thank you. Alright friends, we are at the bottom of the falls. There are a lot of steps there. I can see that I think around 1200 steps we came down. But when we go up,
that's when the challenge is. I'm pretty sure it's going to be tenuous and a good cardio for anybody who wants to do that. As Gurreddy has mentioned, you have to be very careful if you have some heart problems and everything. I would not recommend you to come all the way here because it's a lot of steps and very steep steps. So you just have to be careful, but it's a beautiful place. We can go there. Some people do go there and swim, but we need to have permits for that. Unfortunately, they are not giving permits today, so I cannot go down, but this is the farthest place that I can come. And also, you know, the visitor center is not open till 8 o'clock and the park is closed. If you want to come early, I wanted to come early in the morning, get the catch the sunrise, but unfortunately the gates were closed. So don't come early because you will not be able to come into the park unless and until the gates are open. So it has to be after 8 o'clock. So watch, you go to the website, look at more details, but it's a beautiful place to hang out. It's just a 2.5 mile hike, but it's very steep because it falls down very steeply and there are a lot of steps that you will take upward. So it is very worth it. If you want to do a good cardio, come out in the nature. Instead of on the treadmill, just come out in the nature and have a good cardio. Thank you for watching Basking Group, and looking forward to seeing you in next video.